in Try Yoga. I have two sons, 13 and 10, and I just wanted to give you some tips that helps me postnatal. One of the things that someone gave me when I first had my son was a big basket of oat biscuits. And I didn't realize at the time how amazing oats were for lactation and also for sleep. So they help you to relax, and also they help promote milk in your body. Some of the other tips that I was given was fennel for my digestion and also my baby's digestion. And you can have that as a tea or just eat lots of fennel. Also fenugreek is really good for lactation. Stinging nettle, which is in season right now, so you can just pick it for free, make sure you wear gloves, and just brew it in some hot water with a bit of honey. Ginger teas are really good at the moment if you've just had a baby. In Chinese tradition, it's really important to keep your body warm after you have a baby for at least 8 weeks for the healing. So lots and lots of soups and warming food with warming spices. Today I'm going to make a soup with you, which is bone broth, chicken broth with chicken, watercress, ginger, dates, and all of those things are really good to keep you strong and healthy and to heal from the inside. Some other tips that I learned was foods with high omega-3 were really good at this time, and it helps with any baby blues that you might have. Things like chia seeds, flax seeds, oily fishes are really good. So I'm going to take you downstairs and we're going to make the chicken soup. So here's the Chinese soup that's going to keep you warm and help heal after you've just had your baby. So we're going to start by putting our bone broth in, which is already made here. I would suggest having quite a lot of these in your freezer. You can ask someone to just make you a big batch. So my bone broth is in. That's 1 litre. I've got 60 grams of grated ginger. I use this to grate my ginger. It's really sharp and really easy to just do it, and then you can just scoop it from the back. So I'm going to put my ginger in, and this is going to bring some warmth and spice to your soup. I pre-boiled my chicken thighs because otherwise it gets too oily, so I just pre-boil it in some hot water, and once it's cooled down I pick off the skin and take it off the bone. So that can just go in as well. These are 3 dates, picked out and just chopped finely. You can add those in. Sesame oil. I just put a teaspoon of sesame oil in. And I have some tamari if you want to add that. I personally don't because the soup is so strong with flavour, but if you like a little more, just add some tamari. So we're just going to let that simmer, and then all you do is chuck in your watercress leaves, and that's it. You've got the soup, and it is so nutritious and healing. So the soup has been simmering now for 6 minutes, and I'm just going to chuck in the watercress and just let that soften in there. The longer that it simmers, the stronger your ginger taste is going to be. So you can just let this keep going for another, say, 5 minutes, but look at how lovely and green that looks. And having the dark leafy greens in your diet right now is really important. So here it is, your chicken and watercress soup with ginger, dates and sesame oil. You've got those lovely leafy dark greens which are going to help keep you nutritious and strong with iron and keep you energized. You've got your chicken with protein, ginger to heal and keep your insides warm. The dates give it such a nice little sweetness to it. And I hope you enjoy the soup.